Hey guys, it's Eric here with toolsinaction.com. Today we're here with John to talk about the TopSaw, so I'm going to let him take away.
So I have a tree service. I used to have this bucket of tools in the back of my truck. That's what led me to come up with the TopSaw. It takes every one of those tools, puts it in one compact package that sits right on your belt. With this tool you can do any repair on any brand saw. 19mm socket for plugs, 13mm for bar nuts. There's a 4mm hex for Huskies and Echoes, T27 Torx for stills, bar adjustment screwdriver, bar grease clean out tool, and then bar oil adjustment and carburetor adjustment. This socket right here spins around, so you also have a 10mm, 16mm for other bar nuts. Any saw, anywhere, this tool will work on it. Plug wrench, take your plugs out. This is a nice feature, it's a bar nut remover. It's like a speed wrench. Works better than any wrench. The TopSaw, wherever you are, that's all you need.
Cool.
Cool, that's awesome.
Yeah.